Everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download a game from your iPhone if you're trying to download on your PlayStation 5. And this is easy. Just go on over to the App Store, go to the PlayStation app, and just go to the bottom right, go to search, and type in PlayStation app, and go for and download this app right here. Just like this, and open it up. Type in your email address and your password, and you should be able to open it up and sign in with your account. So let me go back here. And once we're on the application, we want to go to the game library. So this is the home screen. So let's click on the game we want. So let's go over here to the game library on the bottom. Here's the game library. Here's all my games. Let's find a game I don't have on my PlayStation. So maybe like Bloodborne. I think I might have deleted that one. So if I go to this now, if I don't have it on my PlayStation 5, it's going to say download to console. So right here. So let's tap this. And it's going to download to my PlayStation 5. It says download queue, waiting to start download. And my PlayStation 5 is 9,000 miles away from me. So it might take a little bit of time to communicate back and forth if you're further away. I'm in the Philippines, and my PlayStation 5 is in the United States, and I believe I have it in rest mode, but my power did go out at one point in time, so I don't know if it ever restarted to rest mode. So I have to wait and see when I get back if this is downloaded or not. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.